Hello friends, so today I have received this order from robo.in, and this is quite an interesting package this time. So like currently it's 24th of October, and 2 weeks ago Arduino had a live launch of this board, which is Arduino UNO Q, uh, as in collaboration with Qualcomm. So Qualcomm also acquired the Arduino now. So all those boards now will be manufactured. We can say the next generation boards will be now manufactured by Qualcomm. So this is the first board released by them, and it's called Arduino UNO Q. So let's unbox it. So after that we will discuss some of the key like points of this, like features which comes along on this board and what are its capabilities. So let's, without wasting time, unbox it. So okay. This is the invoice. So this is Arduino UNO Q. It's a single board computer. It's also a microcontroller. It has both capabilities. I will show you how, uh, like uh, what chip it has on board, which give this capabilities to it. So before moving on, let's first also discuss the features. So it is able to interface with monitor, a keyboard and a mouse. So it's a single board computer, so it is something similar to, not Raspberry Pi, but the connectivity now it have similar to that of Pi. So it comes with Qualcomm Dragonwing processor, which is QRB2210, and it's has this microcontroller unit also, as I already told. So this thing gives its traditional, the microcontroller capabilities that Qualcomm this give its single board computer capabilities, like running a full-fledged Linux Debian on this board. Right, okay, so let's unfold it. So it comes in this anti-static package. So thank you note, which contains some policies, some recycling, some disclosure, right? So nothing much. Return policy, recycling of this, everything, all those things, right? So okay, this is a small sticker. Big idea start here. You can scan it. It will take to the documentation part, I think. Okay, so keep that aside. Okay, here it is. So let's power it up. With that I will explain its features. Okay. Okay, there it is. You can see that blue light effect, and let's turn it off. I think it's booting up right now. All right, so this is Arduino UNO Q. I will remove this for now. So this thing comes with whole blue color LED panels. I don't know how much these are, but like yeah, it is more than the R4 Wi-Fi model. So this is the processor, which is QRP2210. It runs the Linux workload, right? And behind that board, I don't know whether you're able to see it or not, this is STM32. This manages all those microcontrollers, variables, and PWM, digital input output, analog input output signals. So all those things are managed by this. Like we do the similar type of thing in Arduino Uno or in Nano. And also, now this particular board is of 2 GB variant, so it has onboard 2 GB RAM and a 16 gig of eMMC storage, which is I think by Kingston. Yes, it's by Kingston, the eMMC 16G, right? So this was launched in this month on 7th of October, and right now I'm recording this video in the midnight, and we just entered into 25th of October 2025 just now. So in next month, in November, they are going to release another variant of it. So it will have 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, right? So it has AI capabilities, running AI workload, and along with that running other like traditional sketches also. So just going through the key features of it. It comes with ARM Cortex M33 CPU, and it has a cryptographic accelerator also, which by the way R4 Wi-Fi also have. So it has onboard LEDs, right? So it has its own RTC, which is for timekeeping, and serial controller, SPI bus, USB type interface, as you can see, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, right? So there are like n number of features in it. Like I can go for around half an hour or 1 hour of video if I start explaining those. So this one was a short video. I will make some tutorial out of it. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep tinkering. Peace.